Your brain is dying, not from age, not from disease, from decisions. Every single choice you make today. What to wear, what to eat, which email to answer first, whether to hit snooze one more time, is quietly draining a battery inside your skull that you didn't even know existed. Scientists call it decision fatigue, and by 3 p.m. your brain is running on fumes. That's why you binge watch instead of working out. That's why you order takeout instead of cooking. That's why you say yes to things you don't want to do. It's not laziness. It's not lack of discipline. It's a mental resource, and you've been bleeding it out since the moment you opened your eyes this morning. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why your willpower disappears every single day, and the 3-step system top performers, judges, and even billionaires use to protect their brain from this invisible poison. Section 1. What decision fatigue actually is. Decision fatigue is the psychological phenomenon where the quality of your decisions gets worse the more choices you make in a day. Your brain doesn't work like a light switch that's either on or off. It works like a phone battery. Every decision, big or small, drains a little bit of charge. Here's the terrifying part. Your brain can't tell the difference between deciding what shirt to wear and deciding on a life-changing business move. Both cost energy from the same limited pool. Researchers studying parole board judges found something disturbing. Prisoners who appeared early in the morning were granted parole roughly 70% of the time. Prisoners who appeared late in the day after the judge had made dozens of decisions, approval rates dropped close to zero. Same crimes, same evidence, same judges. The only difference was how depleted their decision-making battery was. This is why the smartest, most successful people in the world wear the same outfit every day, eat the same breakfast, and follow rigid morning routines. It's not boring, it's strategic. They're not being boring. They're protecting their mental fuel for decisions that actually matter. Section 2. The warning signs you're already fatigued. Most people don't even realize they're suffering from decision fatigue. Here's how to know if it's already hijacking your life. You feel exhausted even after doing nothing physical. Sitting at a desk making micro decisions all day is more tiring than manual labor for your brain. You avoid decisions completely. Procrastination is often not laziness. It's your brain refusing to spend energy it doesn't have. You impulse buy at night. Late-night online shopping and doom-scrolling spikes happen because your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for self-control, has clocked out. You default to easy instead of right. Fast food over healthy meals, Netflix over the gym, scrolling over sleeping. If 2 or more of these sound like your daily life, your brain isn't broken. It's just overloaded. Section 3. Why this is getting worse for everyone. We now make more decisions before 9 a.m. than people 100 years ago made in an entire week. Every app on your phone is a decision engine. Which notification to check, which post to like, which video to watch next. Every one of these tiny, meaningless choices chips away at the same finite resource you need for the decisions that actually shape your life, your career, your relationships, your health, your money. This is the real reason discipline runs out by the evening. It's not a character flaw, it's biology. And once you understand that, you stop blaming yourself and start engineering your day around it. Section 4. The 3-step system to beat decision fatigue. 1. Automate the unimportant. Pick your outfits, meals, and daily routine in advance, or make them identical every day. Every decision you remove from your day is energy saved for what matters. This is why a morning routine isn't a productivity gimmick. It's a battery-saving mode for your brain. 2. Front-load your hardest decisions. Your willpower is highest in the first few hours after waking up. That's when you should be making your biggest calls. The hard conversation, the important task, the decision you've been avoiding. Never save your most important decisions for late afternoon or night. 3. Use the 2-minute rule for small stuff. If a decision will matter less than a year from now, give yourself a strict 2-minute cap. Overthinking small decisions is one of the biggest silent killers of mental energy. Decide fast, move on, and save your brain power for decisions that actually compound over time. Master these 3 habits and you're no longer fighting your own biology. You're working with it. If this video just explained why you feel mentally drained by 2 p.m. every single day, that wasn't an accident, and you now know exactly how to fix it. Here's your one decision for today. Hit subscribe, so you never miss the videos that give you back control of your mind, your money, and your motivation. Drop a comment below with the one decision that drains you the most every day. I read every single one. The most common answers might just become the next video. If this helped you, smash the like button. It takes zero energy, and it tells me to keep making videos that actually change how you live, not just how you feel for 5 minutes. One last thing before you go. Turn on notifications because tomorrow's video breaks down the exact morning routine that eliminates 80% of your daily decision fatigue before 8 a.m. See you in the next one.